Touchy. Easily upset or sensitive. Example: she's very touchy about her work, so be careful with your words. Picky. Very selective or hard to please. Example: Tom is so picky about his food, he doesn't eat anything green. Punctual. Always on time. Example: she's always punctual and never late for meetings. Reside. To live in a place. Example: they reside in a beautiful house near the beach. Filthy. Very dirty. Example: the kitchen was so filthy, we decided to clean it before cooking. Whirl. To spin quickly. Example: the dancer began to whirl gracefully across the stage. Compassion. Sympathy and concern for others. Example: her compassion for stray animals led her to open a shelter. Estimate. A rough calculation or guess. Example: can you estimate how much this project will cost? Express. To say or show what you feel. Example: he expressed his gratitude with a heartfelt speech. Poverty. The state of being very poor. Example: many organizations work to reduce poverty around the world. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.